Hi everyone, welcome to 3rd grade. I am Miss Sather and I'm going to be your virtual teacher this year. I'm really excited to get to know everybody and to start our adventure together. Before we begin our school year, I'd like to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to myself and our virtual classroom. So again, I'm Miss Sather. This will be my 9th year teaching, my 7th year in 3rd grade, and my 1st year as a virtual teacher. I was born and raised in Clio. I went to Garner Elementary School. After high school, I went to Central Michigan University for my bachelor's degree and SVSU for my master's in early childhood development. Family is really important to me, and I spend a lot of time with them. I have a 3-year-old cat named Luna who's a total goofball and who you're probably going to hear a lot about this year, I'm sure. For fun, I enjoy walking the beaches, looking for cool rocks, Petoskey stones, and beach glass, going up north, and working on projects at my house. This year is going to be special in many ways, and one big way is that we will be using a virtual classroom. I suggest bookmarking our classroom page so that you can easily find it. To get to our classroom page, go back to the screen where you clicked on the welcome video, and right next to it, it says classroom page. You will click that and be taken to our site. On this page, you will find our virtual classroom, websites that we use, ways to contact me, and another About Me page. To navigate back to the screen, click the Home icon that I have included in the upper right-hand corner of our virtual classroom pages. This is our virtual classroom. This will be where all of your child's daily lessons are located. So if you click on that, you get to our virtual classroom. This is our navigation area. Daily lessons is where you will find the lessons for that day. Virtual learning is where we're going to spend our time right now, just to give you a quick overview. So to navigate this page, we just click the top tabs. So for our schedule, every day students are going to have assignments that they need to complete. You can choose to follow our suggested schedule, or you can come up with your own. I will let you read through this information on your own and contact me if you have any questions. But here, if you click here, it says where you're going to see your daily to-dos. So each day students will be responsible for completing these assignments. And then I have included a suggested schedule that has with detail. If you want to use that, you definitely don't have to. To download it, just click this downloadable PDF. It'll pop it out to a page looks like this, where you can save it to your computer. So that will wrap up our schedule section, and we'll move on to expectations. In this section, you will find information about behavior, attendance, and live lessons meetings. More will be added as the year begins. In regards to behavior, we really focus on the positive, so students will be able to earn points that are similar to Mustang money that they can turn in for rewards. I included an image of what I have so far. This may change. It's still a work in progress. We'll be using Classroom Dojo for that. I'll let you read over the rest of this information and contact me with any questions. And again, we will be adding to this as the year begins. Supplies, this was in the letter that came home. If you need help with any of the supplies, please contact me. We can get that stuff for you. And along with this supplies, I definitely suggest working with your child to set up a quiet work area where they can complete their assignments and attend Zoom meetings. Ideas, I do have some ideas on my phone of ways that you can set up your learning area. If you have any awesome ideas that you're doing, please email them to me and I can post them on here for other parents to check out. So that's a quick overview of our classroom page. Websites will take you to the websites that we're using in class. I will keep adding to this as we go on throughout the year. I'm going to go ahead and click this home button that will take me back to the main site. Clicking on Contact Me will give you the sites that we're using for communication this year. Remind is usually the quickest way to get a hold of me, as it texts my phone. Classroom Dojo is what we're using for behavior, so you can track your students' behavior. We're really going to focus on the positives and giving points for positive behavior. And then I made a Facebook group that is private, only for parents or guardians or people that are helping out with assignments. What I found last year during the shutdown in April was that this was a great way for parents to help other parents out. So if you have a question and it's a general question, you can post it on there, and sometimes other parents can help you quicker than I can get back to you. With that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. Please look over this information and let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to a great year working with you.